Hey y'all, this is Engineer Powell. I wanted to start my channel off with this particular board. It is a Elegoo Mega 2560 R3. Basically, this board is used in different DIY projects, or you can actually use them in drones or RC cars if you're custom building one. But this thing, man, it is very, very unique. It's really the brains of the operation, and it won't be too long until they start taking these things off the market. Just my opinion, but what do I know? Because a lot of people over there in Russia, or should I say Ukraine, they are making their own drones and using them as weapons. But anyway, just wanted to show y'all this. As you can see, it has numbers on there. And a lot of people don't know what some of this stuff means, so I can kind of give y'all an overview. You see in the middle, it has a microchip. It says what? The Mega 2560. Over here, you have the power, you have the analog in, but if you turn it on the side, it specifically tell you what everything is for. For instance, you have 5 volts, 3.3 volts. You have a reset switch, and the I and O stands for input and output reference. You have GND. That's when you grounding something. This is the input devices such as like switches and sensors. They go right here. You can turn this part, and this is a reset button right here in the middle, guys. Get down here. See that? So this is the input side. If you turn this thing over, and all it is just communication. But you see, this is the output right here. Now on this side, you may see something like TX3, RX3, TX2. Basically, anything with TX is transmitter, and anything with RX is basically the receiver. Quote me if I'm wrong. SDA is like serial data, and SCL is like I think it's like serial counter. Yeah. You see, we have the USB port. We have a DC connector for power, and these little things on this board right here, like I say, let's zoom in on it. That's a resistor. That is a microchip. That black 102, and behind that microchip, those are 2 resistors. You go up, that's a microchip, a resistor. Let's go back some. Let's ease on back out. This over here is a capacitor. It holds what? What is that? 25 volts. So this is a fascinating device. I think that's another microchip. Very fascinating. I will be building some projects. I'm thinking about doing a motor. I think it's a V6 model I saw on Amazon. So I just wanted to do this on my channel, man. I don't even know if people are gonna watch this or not, man. Everybody, and that JP is for like jumper. I don't know if people are interested in stuff like this. Like I said, I don't know everything, so we could just take this journey together. And I decided to do this video on my truck because my 4-year-old son's just hollering, man, and very loud. I didn't want to do my first video with my son hollering, but that's a microchip. So it holds more resistors and microchips and things like that. I may be talking about electricity. I know a little about electricity. But we're going to do a lot of projects on this channel. This is a fascinating board. Let me turn it over. I'm so sorry. It's a very fascinating piece, man. And it's the brains of the operation. All this stuff is connected with copper. Those little lines connected. You have to look at the schematics to see how these lines are running and how everything is connected together. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Y'all don't have to subscribe. You know, I'm not telling nobody to subscribe or do anything like that, but we're going to try to grow this channel. And I started this channel because, like I said, I'm an engineer. And when you work for corporate, they only limit your ability. So I like to do things. I like to have fun. We don't want to just patch something up just to make money. Let's enjoy what we do. So it's a quick welcome to my channel. But yeah, yeah, man, it's a pretty nice board. Very fascinating. But I'll talk to you guys, man. Y'all enjoy your day. And Engineer Powell is signing out.